So this is question 19. Given that ABCD is a rectangle with AB equals to 16 and BC equals to 15. P is a point on BC such that this is 7. Q is point on CD such that this is 6. Join P and Q. Now from PQ, construct a point R so that AR is perpendicular to PQ. So the question asks what is the value for AR. So from this question, PC is definitely equal to 8. QC equals to 6 and PC equals to 8, and therefore PQ has to be equal to 10 using Pythagoras theorem. This is equal to 6, and therefore this is equal to 10, and this is equal to 15. I'll only focus on the triangle APQ. So I'll write it here. APQ. APQ, and this is R, somewhere here. Then I know that this PQ is equal to 10. I know that AQ is equal to square root of 15 squared plus 10 squared. And AP is equal to square root of 16 squared plus 7 squared. Looks scary, but don't be afraid. AQ equals to square root of 15 squared plus 10 squared. And AP equals to square root of 16 squared plus 7 squared. And I will let this to be Y and let these two to be X. So I will let AR to be Y and QR to be X. Then RP will be equal to 10 minus X. We'll use Pythagoras theorem again and again from here and also from these two triangles. From the triangle AQR, Y squared will equal to 15 squared plus 10 squared minus X squared. On the other hand, from the triangle APR, Y squared will be equal to 16 squared plus 7 squared minus 10 minus X squared. And just use this, we are able to solve what is the value of X. I'll move the X here. So this is 15 squared plus 10 squared minus 16 squared minus 7 squared equals to X squared minus 10 minus X squared. So this A squared minus B squared. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, there's only 10. A minus B, there will be 2x minus 10. 15 squared minus 16 squared, A plus B is 31. A minus B, negative 1. And for this, A plus B, 17. A minus B, 3. So this is negative 31, this is 51, 20 here. So divide each side by 20, that's 1. That is cancelled off, so this is x minus 5, x equals to 6. So this is not drawn to scale, x should be equal to 6, and this is 4. This is 6, this is 4. So y squared from here, you can use either one. Maybe I use this one. So 15 squared plus 10 squared minus 6 squared. From Pythagorean treatments, I know that 6, 8, 10. So this will be 8. And from another set, 8, 15, 17. So this is 17. And therefore, y equals to 17. We also find AR. AR equals to y. 17 is the answer for question 19.